You're here early. Usually you're the one who's always late.
I woke up earlier than planned today. Probably because I was overthinking last night. Or maybe your new alarm clock is haunting me.
It just beeps. You're overreacting.
Beeps? It was screaming in my face. Get up right now. Stop being the gloomy king. I swear the whole table was shaking.
I bought that kind to stop me from oversleeping. Who knew you'd be the first victim?
Well, I didn't expect to crash at your place. Still, waking up early isn't bad. I even had time to work out.
Hold on. You actually exercised? I thought you just drank coffee and complained about life.
Today was different. I went jogging.
How far?
3 minutes.
You ran for 3 minutes and then came back to the kitchen for breakfast, didn't you?
I ran for 3 minutes, then pondered the meaning of life for another 5, and then had breakfast.
Good. That's progress.
What about you? What did you do this morning?
Watered the plants, tidied the room, little things. Oh, I just planted a new silvergrass on the balcony.
That name doesn't sound very lucky.
It's just a tough plant that refuses to die. I like its resilience.
Refuses to die, just like you.
You mean resilient, right?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Then it's fine.
Don't get mad.
By the way, I discovered you have a really weird habit.
Again, how many secrets of mine are still left to dig up?
This morning when I woke up, I saw you standing in front of the mirror, checking yourself from every angle. What were you doing?
Making sure my hair wasn't flat.
Oh my God, you only slept 4 hours and you're still worried about your hair?
My hair is a national treasure. I can't let a single strand go out of place.
You're overthinking it. Nobody's looking.
You're looking.
I was checking if you were actually awake. Didn't expect to witness that scene.
My pride just got stabbed.
I know you can take it.
Speaking of weird habits, you have one too.
Huh? Mine? Let's hear it.
You drink scalding hot coffee without ever blowing on it. You just gulp it down.
I'm used to it. A little heat doesn't bother me.
But the other day you spilled a drop on your hand and let out a scream that could wake the dead.
That was just because it caught me off guard.
Off guard enough that you almost dumped the whole cup on me.
Lucky for you, I didn't.
If you had, the coffee would still be hot, and I'd be the one in pain.
Hey, have you seen my gray scarf?
Yeah, I saw it. I used it to wipe the table.
What did you just say?
I thought it was a cleaning rag.
That's my favorite scarf.
Oh, well, your kitchen table is sparkling now.
You're dead to me.
Give me a few more minutes to finish my coffee, please.
Not sure about that.
What do you usually do in the evenings?
Read. Do some light stretches. Sometimes, I listen to music.
What kind of music?
Soft stuff. Melodies that help me unwind.
I knew it. Because every night you drop your earbuds.
You heard that?
Your apartment is so quiet. One little clatter, and I know exactly what's happening.
Don't tell me you thought it was a burglar?
No. I thought you forgot to turn on the lights again while walking around.
Sometimes, that's true.
I knew it.
So, your mornings are a little chaotic. My evenings are pretty quiet.
Sounds like total opposites.
Yet somehow they fit perfectly.
Yeah. If you were as loud as me, the world would probably explode.
If you were as quiet as me, the house would be a lot messier.
Hey, that one hurt.
Just telling the truth.
Clearly I should switch to drinking water so life feels less bitter.
Keep dreaming. If you quit coffee, the world would turn upside down.
Yeah, probably. Come on, drink up. The coffee's getting cold.
So are you.
How's your week been? You look more tired than usual.
Busier than normal. A few meetings that dragged on until night, plus some tasks due early. But it's fine. Tired is just tired.
You always say, it's fine. If you ever say, not fine, I'm calling an ambulance.
If I ever say I'm not fine, what would you do?
I'd drag you out of there, buy you a cake twice the size of my face, make you sit down and rest. Then we'd figure out the rest.
Sounds reasonable. Let's hope you never have to use the giant cake plan.
So, were the meetings okay? Did you fight with anyone?
No fighting, just discussion. But one meeting, people talked too much and I just wanted to get to the point.
I'm guessing you sat there silently, giving everyone the, please get to the point, stare.
Yeah, exactly.
And I bet everyone immediately focused.
Nope. Someone added extra slides.
Wow. Bold move.
We wasted another half hour going in circles. When they finally asked my opinion, I just said one sentence.
What sentence?
We can do this much simpler. Then I explained how in 3 minutes.
And everyone went silent?
Yeah. A few people even sighed under their breath.
I feel bad for them, but I'm also proud of you.
What about you? Anything fun this week?
Fun, sort of. Not sure you'll want to hear it.
Tell me.
Monday team meeting. Everyone said I looked classically exhausted. Then they gave me the report to prepare.
Yeah, that's normal.
They gave it to me because they thought I couldn't cause any more trouble.
Wait. Meaning?
Meaning I talk too much in meetings. Last week, I spent 10 minutes analyzing the philosophy of changing the schedule.
Oh my God.
I know. I've been banned from long speeches.
Who banned you?
The entire room.
So how did the report go?
Fine, in the sense that it didn't explode.
What does that mean?
First draft looked nice. But I used such a fancy font that my boss thought I accidentally sent a party invitation.
What font did you use?
Some swirly one. I forgot the name.
Be honest. Was it the kind of font that makes you want to cry?
I thought it was artistic. Shame no one else appreciated it.
Because it's a work report, not an autumn poetry collection.
I get it. And I had to redo the whole thing. In 2 hours.
Did you manage?
I did, but my hands were shaking. I downed 3 coffees in a row.
Ah, now I understand why you look like a night owl on steroids.
Probably.
Any new people in your team?
One intern. Super enthusiastic, maybe a bit too much.
Too much how?
They write down everything I say. Even when I'm talking to the office plant.
Hold on. You talk to plants?
Just to relieve stress. I told it. You're the only one who understands me. Turned around, and the intern was taking notes.
Unbelievable.
I think it's normal. That plant is growing beautifully.
Probably because it gets daily doses of your philosophical rants.
So how did you finish your week? Friday?
Small presentation. Had to stand in front of the whole team.
You've got this. You're the strongest presenter in the world.
I'm not scared of speaking. But that day, one person kept staring like they were waiting for me to slip up.
Did you slip?
No.
Then that person was wrong.
You always take my side, huh?
Of course. Anyone who picks on you has to talk to me first.
Are you going to defend me with philosophy or fancy font reports?
Both, if necessary.
Last week, my colleagues and I had a little debate. They wanted Plan A. I thought Plan B was better.
Did you win?
In the end, we went with B. But the important thing is, I wasn't trying to win.
You're always so calm.
Not really. I just don't want to waste energy on things that don't matter. I save it for what's truly important.
Yeah, and I spend mine talking to plants.
You could spare some of that energy for fixing your fonts.
Thanks for the subtly savage advice.
Honestly, I hope next week is a bit lighter. Everything's been piling up lately.
If you need any help, just say it. Anything except reports.
I swear you can handle reports just fine.
Yeah, I just can't promise they'll look normal.
As long as it doesn't look like a wedding invitation, we're good.
I'll try.
Even when I'm exhausted, sitting here at the end of the week, talking a little, makes everything feel lighter.
Same for me. Every week, I meet you at this cafe, all my noise calms down.
And I feel a little less serious?
Good. Monday we'll go back to our roles.
Yeah, but right now, just sitting here is enough.
Exactly. Finish your coffee. It's getting cold again.
It's been a while since we could just sit like this. Feels like the whole week I'm chasing time.
And I'm always chasing random stuff. Like why spoons sink but forks float.
You actually thought about that?
Of course. Yesterday, I stood by the sink for ages, dropping spoons and picking them up. Colleagues probably thought I was doing some spiritual experiment.
You really are one of a kind.
That's why you can smile.
Lately, the mornings are colder. I just want to wrap myself in a blanket and go to work.
I thought you were used to cold weather.
I am, but cold is still cold. Last week, I even turned the heater on at 6 a.m.
I thought you only used the heater when your emotions froze over.
My emotions don't freeze that easily.
Good. If they ever did, I'd have to warm them up with a hot chocolate.
Don't tell me you'd make it yourself.
Well, I might burn down the kitchen if I tried too hard.
Speaking of which, you said you were going to learn to cook.
I did. I made sunny-side-up eggs.
Sounds simple. Good job.
Yeah, except I burned the pan.
Wait, burned how?
The kind where I had to soak it for an hour to scrape off the black stuff.
How high was the heat?
High. I thought faster cooking is better.
Lesson learned. High heat isn't the answer to everything.
Except passion.
Is your passion destroying kitchen tools?
Maybe just the early stage.
Sure.
Oh, something this week really made me happy.
What?
I found an old notebook. It had some lines I wrote when I first started working.
What did you write?
Silly thoughts from my younger self. But reading them again, they felt kind of cute.
Silly, but honest.
I even wrote, "In the future, I'll be calm and mature."
And now?
Still working on it. Slow progress, but there is progress.
You've improved a lot. At least you don't mix salt into coffee anymore.
That was a historic accident. I was traumatized for a week.
It really was.
What about you? Any new hobbies?
I started drawing again.
Really? You used to draw?
Yeah. I used to draw landscapes. Now, I draw based on feelings.
What do your feelings look like?
Lots of straight lines, strong strokes. Free but not messy.
Sounds exactly like you.
This week I sketched something, but I haven't shown anyone yet.
Can I see?
When it's more finished?
So it's about me, right?
Who said that?
Your eyes just dodged mine.
Stop overanalyzing. Drink your coffee.
Fine.
Oh, I had a really strange dream this week.
Tell me.
I was running on a very long road. Wind everywhere. I just kept running, not knowing where to.
How did it feel?
Not scared. Just light. Like I was being freed from something.
Was anyone running beside you?
Yes. but I couldn't see their face. I just knew they kept the exact same pace, never left behind, never pulled ahead.
Got it.
What do you think it means?
I think it's someone you trust. Someone who doesn't need words but stays right when you need them.
I thought the same.
I also have something a little stupid I want to try.
Sounds dangerous already. Go on.
I want to take one day off work. Go to the sea. Sit and watch the waves. Do nothing. No meetings. No reports. No philosophizing.
Wow. Surprisingly, that idea is very normal.
Is that a compliment or an insult?
Compliment. You rarely want something simple.
If I really go, will you come with me?
If I can arrange the schedule, maybe.
Maybe in your dictionary means 90%.
No, my maybe is 50%. But if you bring cake and stop using weird fonts, it goes up to 80%.
Noted.
Have you ever wondered why every weekend we end up at this exact cafe?
I have. And I have two theories.
Let's hear them.
1. The coffee here is great. 2. Because you're sitting across from me.
You say things like that on purpose to embarrass people, don't you?
Not on purpose. I'm being honest.
The more honest you are, the scarier it gets.
Scared because I'm right?
Just drink.
Weekends are short. But everything feels lighter again.
Yeah, no matter how stressful the week was, sitting here still feels peaceful.
I think we're good at doing nothing together and still feeling comfortable.
Maybe. Or maybe you talk enough to fill the silence.
And you stay quiet enough so I know when to stop.
That's why we balance.
Yeah. Like coffee and sugar. I'm bitter, you're sweet.
You really are bitter.
But you still drink me.
Only sometimes.
That's enough for me.